So today I'll be showing you guys how we can detect if a data set is normally distributed visually. That is how we can know if a data set is normally distributed or not by merely looking at what the data set graphically. Now this is a data set before us. We have a data set on due scores at the beginning of marriage and due scores after 5 years of marriage. So we are going to see if this data set is normally distributed or not through what? Through a histogram chart. So to achieve this, we'll go to the graphs drop down menu. Under the graphs drop down menu, we'll go to the legacy dialogues. Then from the legacy dialogues, we come to histogram. Now under the histogram, we are going to move our desired variable of interest to the variable box here. So let's start with the first variable. Our first variable is due scores at the beginning of marriage. So we'll move it to the variable box. Now under the variable box, we have a small checkbox here, display normal curve. So we are going to select or tick this box. That is, we want the histogram to be displayed along with the what? Normal curve. Then we select OK and wait for the output. Now this is the output. Now as we can see, this is the normal curve. Whenever the normal curve has the shape of a bell, we can conclude that what the data set is normally distributed. Like in this case now, our normal curve has the shape of a bell. So this indicates that the data set is normally distributed. But in a case whereby the normal curve doesn't have the shape of a bell, that is, if it's either skewed to the left or skewed to the right, it means that data set is not normally distributed. So based on this example, based on this particular data set, we can conclude that what our data set is normally distributed. So this is how we can view the normality of a data set through charts. Let's look at another data. We move to graphs drop down menu. Under the graphs drop down menu, move to legacy dialogues. From there, we'll come to histogram. Now, let's try check the normality for due scores after 5 years of marriage. So we'll select this variable and move it back. Then we move due scores after 5 years. After 5 years of marriage, we move it to the what? Variable box. Our display normal curve is selected already. So we click OK. So let's see the results. Well, in this case as well, our data set is also normally distributed. Why? Because the normal curve still maintains the shape of a bell. But if it deviates from this shape, it means the data set is not normally distributed. For us to conclude that our data set is normally distributed, the normal curve must have the shape of a bell. Any deviation from this shows that what the data set is deviating from normality. So this is one of the ways we can check if our data set is normally distributed or not through the use of the normal curve on a histogram chart. Though there are two different ways to bring about the histogram chart. We can either go through the graphs drop down menu or we can go through the analyze drop down menu. If we are to go through the analyze drop down menu, we'll click on analyze. Under analyze, we have descriptive statistics. Then we select frequencies. Under frequencies, we have let's look at charts. Now suppose, before going to chart, let's move our variable of interest to the variable box. Suppose our variable of interest is due scores after 5 years of marriage. Move that to the variable box. Then we'll select chart. Under chart, we select our desired chart, histogram. Now, after selecting histogram, we have a small checkbox underneath which says show normal curve on histogram. That is, we want the histogram to be displayed with the word normal curve to enable us check if the data set is normally distributed or not. So we click on continue. Now, the beauty of going through the frequencies, or should I say the beauty of going through the analyze drop down menu, is that it gives you the option of moving all your variables at once to the variable box. Unlike when you go through the graphs drop down menu, you have to check for their histogram, or rather you have to display the histogram one after the other. But in this case, you can choose to do what? View the histogram for all the available variables at the same time by moving them to the variable box. However, our interest is on due scores after 5 years of my use, which is why we have it under the variables here. Then we select OK. Sorry, I don't want to view the frequency table, so I uncheck that. Then we select OK. Okay, as we can see, this is our what? Normal curve, which shows that what? Our data set is still normally distributed. So this is how we can check the normality of a data set through what? The histogram chart. Thank you for visiting my channel. In case you have any question or any comment, please leave your question in the comment section below, and I promise you I'm going to attend to all your questions as fast as I can. And do not forget to hit the subscribe button, subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can get more updates on my tutorial videos. Thank you. You have a good